Hello, welcome to our fifth lesson. In this lesson, we will try to model the shape shown in the visual. As you can see, the model consists of two layers. We can start modeling from the base layer. For the first layer, I will sketch on the top plane. Using the center rectangle command, I draw a rectangle centered on the origin. When I look at the model, I see that it is a square with a side length of 100. Therefore, I dimension the two sides of the rectangle to be 100. Then use the extruded base command to give this square a volume, setting the height to 50 as shown in the example. To model the second layer, I sketch on the top plane of the model we just created. Again, centering on the origin. Looking at the example again, we see that it is a square with a side length of 50 and height is also 50. We give our dimension. And using the extruded base command, we give it a height of 50 millimeters. As you can see, our model is now ready.